Hello everyone, this is Ali. I am the new business director in Dahua and welcome to Dahua Talk. Today we will talk about our interactive flat panel. Zero air gap. When I use the interactive screen, usually there is two modules, the module which I'm touching and the other module which displaying the content. And in the old technology, there is some air gap between these two modules. This air gap actually affected a little bit the accuracy of writing and affected the clarity of the image. With Dahua, with zero air gap technology, we remove this gap. It will make the writing experience more smooth, more real, and the clarity of the image more clear. In addition to this, most of the screens in Dahua, the interactive screens, came with built-in camera. Those camera with AI, artificial intelligence. So the camera has voice tracking, auto voice tracking, auto framing, and not only that, you can imagine the camera can understand your movement. Most of the time, user has a concern in terms of the Wi-Fi. To solve this concern, our screens from Dahua came with built-in embedded Wi-Fi, so no more dongles. Our new IFB has a fingerprint biometric, which can save fingerprint for more than 256%. In Dahua, we care about the design. That's why in the new model from our interactive screen, it has a futuristic design which can complement with any interior design, either for classroom, meeting room, for corporate offices. Another important part we need to highlight when we talk about the interactive flat panel, which is the software. In Dahua, we have three types of software. First one, we call it eShare. eShare is like wireless mirroring software. It's compatible with all operating systems, Android, iOS, Mac, Chrome, Windows, all. Second point, if I'm using my screen with Android, it can support up to 9 devices at the same time, and screen can be split up to 9. If I'm using my screen on Windows, you can have unlimited number of users connected at the same time. Second software we have in Dahua is a device manager software. Device manager will enable the IT in any entity to control whatever number of screens from anywhere. What type of control we have? He can control like on and off, schedule the on and off, update the firmware, install and uninstall any applications. Also, we can broadcast messages and multimedia for all the screens. In Dahua, our software connected to the cloud, so you can access to this software wherever you are and your data will follow you. In addition to this, you can record your screen, you can create a QR code so anyone can just scan this QR code and get your lecture as PDF.